Sharman Joshi, Karan Singh Grover, Zareen Khan, Daisy Shah, Vishal Pandya and others attended the launch of the trailer of the film Hate Story 3 at a multiplex in Mumbai. Have a look.
How difficult was it to get the censor certificate?
So difficult नहीं. I think now we are also very clever. They are like they are. हम उतना वैसे ही शूट करते उतना ही बनाते जितना अलाउड है. And of course we try our best के push करें from थोड़ा envelope ज़्यादा push करें. So they are doing their job. We are doing our job के हम भी थोड़ा सुधरे नहीं. तो वो लोग सुधरने try कर रहे हैं but we try not to. But
in total कितने cuts हैं? In total कितने cuts हुए?
See अभी तो right now in the post production it's too early to say. But जैसे होगा पता चल जाएगा.
विपाशा का किस तरह का रिएक्शन था इस कैरेक्टर को देखकर?
वो आपको विपाशा से पूछना पड़ेगा.
वो जब
क्योंकि
मिलेंगे
जब आप उनसे मिलेंगे तो आप पूछिएगा. अभी हम लोग हेट स्टोरी 3 की बात करते हैं और उनका रिएक्शन आप उनसे पूछिएगा.
Did you ever thought that doing such kind of role?
Well, I was very skeptical in the beginning, but when I met Vishal and when he narrated me the film, and I think over a period of time he became a really good friend, and I think he has great convincing powers. And all of us have become great friends, so I don't think it was really difficult. Yeah, but in the beginning I was a little skeptical.
Did you go to Salman and spoke to him regarding that, yeah, you have got this role? So what was his reaction? We just want to know.
I had taken a back seat for not doing this movie, but actually Salman was the one who really pushed me. He was the one who convinced me with Vishal that you should do this because the role is completely different from Jai Ho. And as I said that an actor should be open to do all kind of roles. So I really want to push. This is something that I've pushed myself further. So this is not a very safe zone, but again, I wanted to try it, I wanted to do it, so I did it.
करण, आपका जो किरदार अलोन में भी कुछ इसी तरह का था और इस फिल्म में भी आप अपने कंफर्ट जोन से कभी बाहर निकल के कुछ ऐसा करेंगे क्या?
शायद आपने अलोन देखी नहीं है और शायद आपको ये ट्रेलर समझ नहीं आया. तो क्योंकि ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. अगर एक एक्टर 2 फिल्म्स में किस करता है तो उसका किरदार सेम नहीं हो जाता.
Love making scene, doing a love making scene with front of entire unit. How comfortable or uncomfortable you are?
I think I was extremely comfortable. Also, I think due credit should go to Zareen and the rest of the crew because it's part of the job. We are professionals. We are here to enact our parts, and which requires a love-making scene. We've gone out and done that as any other scene that one would approach. I am glad there is such hue and cry about love-making scenes in India because that ensures a good opening for the film.
You going naked for a scene in the movie? Yeah, nude or what?
Yeah, butt naked is what I had said. I was speaking to a journalist and I had mentioned that if a film of certain aesthetics comes my way and it's something that I feel requires to be done, then I can even go to the extent of going butt naked. Forget kissing scenes, that's hardly an issue. And it was made to, I mean, the highlight was made that Bhaiya Sharman is going butt naked, but that also suited me. At least people must have read the article effectively.
Karan.
Oh, you're disappointed? You didn't...
No, I think Karan is disappointed. I'm not disappointed. You know, we have never seen Salman work with you guys ever again. I mean, I think he has only worked with Katrina, the girls, among the girls that he has launched. So why is it that he has not been repeating you guys in his subsequent
I think,
movies?
we're going to use his thing. Please ask Salman about that.
No, I thought you would come up with something new.
Worked with Sonakshi.
Yeah, really inspired by him. At least I am. So I'm going to be using his line.
Daisy, I think you will come up with something original.
Your question is that why he doesn't repeat his heroines, right?
Except for Katrina. I don't think he has.
He's worked with Sonakshi. He's worked with Asin. There's your answer.
So when will Daisy and Zareen happen?
Soon, very soon.
आपने इस फिल्म के लिए सलमान से बात की और उन्होंने सजेस्ट किया कि आप ये फिल्म करें. कंगना ने भी सलमान से बात की थी और उन्होंने सजेस्ट किया था कि वो कट्टी बट्टी करे, लेकिन जब अब फिल्म फ्लॉप हो गई है तो उनकी टीम सलमान को ब्लेम कर रही है. तो अगर खुदा ना खास्ता ये फिल्म नहीं चल पाई तो क्या आप सलमान को इसके लिए ब्लेम करें?
हम बड़े पॉजिटिव है हमारी फिल्म को लेके. हमारी फिल्म चलेगी.
Hi, this is Faridoon Shahryar. For the most interesting celebrity interviews, do subscribe to Bollywood Hungama. Keep on watching.